And I am the queen mother of this nation. I am the queen mother of the spiritual. And God has announced to me to appoint Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to be the next president. Because Yami was sitting here, Utuma no one to a mano warini, it's a Tomani Preco. Not the use Wakano Emrem. And Macase, O Yamia Mimimun Wame Somono, O Yamio Yidi Chira Meno, send your make one mama who am Memuanitas and ask someone Yano correct. Said Yamima who Yana Memua, I will go back to the shrine. Said Yami said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. On Kana command to him, he is the next president. The Sam Mahmoud Yamin cannot correct. I will go back to the shrine, and it is a promise. Because Yami was sitting here, Utuma no one to a mano warini, it's a Tomani Preco. Not the use Wakano Emrem. So Radi Vishi Chana Kwa, Yami Vishi Jayasi and Kayanun Tumuni Ankoda. You have to work on it. That is why I am working on it. I am not here to do politics. I am here to work on it for what God has told me to come to pass. And Makase, Onyamia Mimini Munuame Somono, Onyami o Yidi Chira Meno, send your make one mama who am Memuanitas Samun Yano correct. Said Yami Mami who Yana Memua, I will go back to the shrine. And it is a promise.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
We know what an implication is. We are not all idiots. We know what you're saying.
Because me jinyame di say ni tumi wo ho na ni tumi ye djuma na de ono awrade yi di kire me no me jina ha e ka kire Ghana fo nyina say the nyame ye kire me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on kana command to him, he is the next president. The Sam Mahmoud Yari nyame nka no correct. I will go back to the shrine. It is a promise. And I know what God revealed to me will surely come to pass. Vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He is the next president of Ghana. Because they be who yana make. And I will go back and serve the gods. But it is possible for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to win this 2024 election.
You need Jesus. You need to know Jesus.
We will maintain our seat.
We will maintain our seat.
And I am IPP Abaya Mpuntu free education.
Yes.
A police for your cars. Ghana near helicopter and hospitals, schools, free education, schools. You know, I didn't pay. Ubabeko school free. And the first and one, baby, a Kanibako school or any bank. And so, and free education. Or Sikani, anywhere, any Nabako school.
Amen.
And you will be Pentamacotoma Niemu. Samope Abaya Slave Queen for the best constitution. And you got to say, Ope Abaya Slave Queen for where's the minna? Or D. Mimame Woye? Where's the winner? Or Chanyate? Am I when I'm obey? Am I when I'm obey? Vote for a responsible man like Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. How are you going to vote for a presidential candidate which we have not seen the wife following him. All because of the slim queens. Obani say one year campaign. Emma Metina so. Emma Fanko di young girls. I say amen.
Amen.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
He is responsible.
He is responsible
with a good wife.
With a good wife.
Madam Samira.
Madam Samira.
So we are all. Going to vote. For him. Whether you like it. Or not. He is incoming president. Solena Yadadema Jesus. And your band is singing. Obane power the obedia hini. Akonwane won pedi fo nyina betimi apaw se we na mepe. The queen mother refuse say ompa utimi ne hine ne. And I am the queen mother of this nation. Damn! I am the queen mother of the spiritual. And God has announced to me to appoint Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to be the next president. Kasi who said chia?
Who said chia?
Who said chia?
Who said chia?
Mami for mong no susu mo kaka. The number 7 stand for victory.
Okay.
Agradaa Yesu ti ahwenwa nanim na abofo nson ejina ne nchen.
Amen.
It stand for 7.
Okay.
And God is 1.
Yes.
That is number 1.
Hey.
So on the 7th, number 1. Azidia. It is going to represent on the 7th December. So it's 771.
Okay.
So rest of one. Ocean Komuma NDC.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen. Gosh. Woman wisdom.
So far, Ocean Komuma NDC.
Okay.
Me say that and the person standing for that candidate. This election, you won't hear it anywhere. Friday, no? Now me bumpire. And a brother catch them as a main country MPP for say.
Okay.
It is possible, Kakeno.
Amen.
Momon can say.
Amen.
Because we have 82 legs.
Okay.
It is possible to win and it is possible to lose.
God bless you.
See, you say main country almost say. It is possible to win.
Amen. Woman wisdom.
Screen so or dying Jimmy for Abua was ya Jimmy Udita camera to screen so or dying Jimmy for Abua was ya Jimmy Udita or dying Jimmy for Abua was ya Jimmy Udita said the Yami said Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on Kana command to him. He is the next president. The Sam Mahmoud Yamin Kano correct. I will go back to the shrine and it is a promise. Oh, dying Jimmy for Abua was ya Jimmy Udita and a challenger said Yamekasa. Yes. We are dead.
Woman wisdom.
Me lose you though.
The bee.
I give you a minute, soon better actually be a year. Me. And I, Obaso Tadia, what out there? na yɛ de abrɛw mesi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ɔbɛyɛ president a ɔbɛda wo dɛm atɔ car ayi wɔ wo dɛm
Yes.
kasi digitalization wa
Digitalization.
yɛmpɛ nkokɔ nketenkete na memi prɛma ani baa me hwɛ nwi egu mi ti so
Aye, abɔdene.
hwɛ nwi egu mi ti so
Abɔdene.
na bɛka sɛm fa convince me a ɔsɛ nkɔnfɛm ne nkokɔ ɛwɔ abrɛko a wodeɛ waa wohwɛ mi
Aye.
sɛ bɛrima bi bɛsɛ wo pɛ na ɔpake ɛlupre ɔpake kaa wɔde fie si hɔ
Yes.
na obi brɛ wo akokɔ baa hwan na bɛwale no
Hey.
onipa bi a wobɛtoa ma akokɔ biara nyame tua wo kaa onipa bi a wobɛtoa ma akokɔ biara nyame tua wo kaa onipa bi a wobɛtoa ma akokɔ